Watching TV just ain't the same. Things are different, it's now a game. They even got the Jersey Shore situation I ain't watching no more. Now we all can watch one guy date 10 girls and make them cry. Reality TV, train wreck. Reality TV, train wreck. Big Brother's got us all tuned in. Silly humans make us grin. Survivor's sure a goofy show. I like to order my food to go. Reality TV, train wreck. Reality TV, train wreck. Watching all of these shows will make you glad. Things at your house really are not too bad. So go ahead and hide a camera or two. Put your life